look, see what's going on here. You tell me what you think. See the madrone tree. And this goes right down the hill to the river. Big old cut and all these rocks. And other side of the hill. And I've just been poking around up in here. You can see all my scuff marks. Just digging up anything and everything I can find along the bedrock. And I need to bring my rake in here and knock it down a little better. And I wish I had a flock of chickens or something, let them out here, you know, and then they could scratch all this stuff up. All right, hey, welcome back. I have a faint target here. I moved some of the dirt. I mean, it was real faint. Hold on, I gotta lace my camera. And it's got a real deep tone. But it was like it was like that when I first got it. Let's take this thing up, see what I can do. Bedrock. Madrone. That thing's whistling like a train. I like it. Damn. Hard to do with the camera. You can see all the scoops really well. So I moved it. Haha, first scoop. Alright, stay tuned. I thought it was just in the scoop. Maybe not. Hold on. Not today. Just playing in the dirt. Well, it got loud. Well, it's for the shuffle, I guess. I don't see it. Well, shucks. Oh, what's that? Huh. It looks... Oh man, I can't tell. I think it's lead, but it's yellow. Son of a crud. Let me clean this up. I'll be damned. That's gold, son. Look at that bad boy. Yes, sir. Look at that pretty thing. Yeah. Haha. Paid off for truncheon, you know, looking for a spot and finally got a... That's awesome. That's what it's about right there. Dang. That's a nice chunky piece. Okay. We'll put it in the bottle and see if we can get another one. Stay tuned. And looks like I might have a rock in there or something. I'll clean it up. I got another target up here. Just kind of rusty. It's kind of cool, but yeah. Okay, pushing a gram. Okay, I'm gonna go make use of that pie stand. You know what I mean? Got a little beverage toaster, if you will.
All right, hey, welcome back. I'm gonna wrap it up here with a quick weigh-in. I'm gonna flip my phone around and show you what I got. I ended up pulling another nugget for a total of 3. And yeah, let's do this. So here we go. I have 3 nuggets in my scale. It's on penny weight right now. So the first one, 0.65. And then here's the one I got on the way out. It gives me 1.3 penny weight. And then one more, almost a penny weight and a half, which would be roughly 2.2 grams. And so it was worth it. You know, it's kind of a fun trip. I found a new spot. There's still more to detect. I'll make a couple videos here of it soon. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.